लाइफ स्टाइल फर्नीचर का धमाकेदार दिवाली ऑफर। घर की सजावट का सामान एक्सचेंज ऑफर के साथ 65 से 75% डिस्काउंट। पुराना लाएं, नया सामान ले जाएं। 24 अक्टूबर से 9 नवंबर हेमरेड्डी मल्लम्मा फंक्शन हॉल, जलनगर पुलिस स्टेशन, बीजापुर। 0 डाउन पेमेंट की भी है यहाँ पर सहूलत। स्वागत है आपका बी न्यूज नेशन में। मैं हूं आबिद हुसैन शेख। वक्फ जमीन को लेकर उलझन न खड़ा करें नेता और लोग। एमबी पाटिल की नसीहत। किसानों की 1 इंच जमीन भी बगैर किसी आधार के वक्फ बोर्ड में नहीं की जाएगी शामिल। तेजस्वी सूर्या और कुछ सियासी नेताओं की तरफ से किसानों की जमीनें वक्फ बोर्ड में शामिल करने की बयानों पर भड़के बीजापुर जिला इंचार्ज मंत्री डॉक्टर एमबी पाटिल ने कहा कि बीजापुर के टिकोटा हनवाड़ के सर्वे नंबर 10 में 11 हेक्टेयर जमीन वक्फ प्रॉपर्टी है, जिसमें 10 हेक्टेयर 14 गुंटे कब्रिस्तान और बाकी मस्जिद और दरगाह की है जमीन। रही बात हजरत पीर दस्तगीर दरगाह की, बीजापुर के महल बाकायत की प्रॉपर्टी है, जिसको गलत तरीके से हनवाड़ के नाम पर लिखा गया है। यह गलत फहमी से हुआ है। इसमें किसी भी किसान को वक्फ कमेटी या सरकारी विभाग से कोई नोटिस नहीं मिला। बेचैनी और उलझन में रहे किसानों से कहा कि वक्फ कमेटी और डीसी के नेतृत्व में रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट के तमाम डॉक्यूमेंट्स की अच्छी तरह जांच पड़ताल की जाएगी। किसानों की 1 इंच जमीन भी बगैर किसी कागजात, डॉक्यूमेंट्स और गैर जरूरी बिना किसी आधार के वक्फ प्रॉपर्टी में शामिल नहीं की जाएगी। जल्द ही एक प्रोग्राम करके तमाम उलझनों का जवाब दिया जाएगा, कहा डॉक्टर एमबी पाटिल ने मीडिया के जरिए।
As regarding Bijapur district, the land issue of Waqf and the farmers, let me tell you categorically clear. It was first before Tejas Surya's meeting or tweet whatsoever. I had a meeting because they come under my constituency. They are from Hanwad village, Tikota Taluka, 89 survey numbers of 1,200 acres. They have been given notice that these are work properties. So the farmers met me, as well as I have made a statement also. One thing is very clear. I have not only this land, as far as Bijapur district minister there, in charge minister, I have told the DC and all the Tahsildars, whatever notices you want to give it, collect the documents from them. I personally sit and we have a chart. We have a chart in which year, what had happened, on a year-wise how much it was increased and what all the things are there. And I'm telling categorically clear, not even 1 inch of land, 1 millimeter of land which does not belong to Waqf or which belongs to farmers, genuinely thing will not be acquired by Waqf. They will remain the property of the farmers. I told my for the issue of those farmers of 1,200 acres. In fact, there is also what I have heard, subject to correction, that it's a wrongly typed because it belongs to some other village. Okay. This one is concerned, not of that village. But also I have told the DC and the Tahsildar. I had a meeting along with the Tahsildar and the farmers. I'll take care of it. No need of any worry. In the entire district, not only these 1,200 acres of Hanwad village, which belongs to my assembly segment, nowhere any land which does not belong to Waqf, in case has been wrongly notified, we will get the documents. There will be documents of the farmers. Documents have the farmers. They have been, since 5 generations, they have been cultivating that land. They have got records. And here it is probably in 2 such things that happened. This is not that village survey numbers. It is some other village numbers and all this. Like that also has to be ascertained. I may not be what I have heard from those villages also, as well as some people that doesn't belong there and all this. So we are taking care of it.
But as far as these allegations are concerned, sir, it is clearly stated by Mr. Tejas Surya, and now the BJP is saying that intentionally government through Mr. Zamir Ahmad Khan, it has been done. He travelled everywhere.
No. See, I'll tell you whether it says Zamir.
और खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए बी न्यूज नेशन।